Germany considère Boxer 8x8 production partnership with Czech Republic à Demain-Surge. Germany Artec Consortium HAS propose da Boxer 8x8 production coopération with the Czech Republic, as the country plans the replacement of ETS Pandur de fleet. The program could involve around 250 vehicles valued at about 40 billion CZK, but the official procurement decision is expected after 2027. Therefore, Artec proposes the industrial cooperation and integration of the Czech industry into the Boxer 8x8 production chain à European Armored Vehicle de Créaz. En March 12, 2026, Press the Steph reported that the German consortium Artec proposed a production partnership with the Czech Republic Center on the Boxer 8x8 armored vehicle. The proposal comes as the country considers the potential acquisition of roughly 250 armored vehicles to replace the Pandur fleet currently operated by Czech mechanized units. The estimated value of the program is about 40 billion CZK, which correspond to roughly €1,06 billion depending on exchange rate. The offer include industrial cooperation, technology transfer, and the integration of the Czech industry into the Boxer supply chain. The proposal also reflects the structural shortage of armored vehicle production capacity currently affecting European defense manufacturing, as the European demand for armored vehicles has increased sharply following the war in Ukraine, exceeding the capacity of existing production facility. The Czech Army recently launched a program to replace ETS Pandur two-wheeled armored personnel carrier, introduced into service in the late 2000s. These vehicles equip key formation, including the 4th Rapid Deployment Brigade, and reprise the main-wheeled infantry transport capability of the Czech Land Force. Modernization of the Pandur II fleet has been evaluated as financially inefficient compared with acquiring a new generation of armored vehicles with high payload and protection level. The replacement program, therefore, considers the procurement of roughly 250 vehicles to equip mechanized infantry formation. Operational studies are currently assessing protection requirement, throw capacity, modular mission role, and mobility characteristic. The procurement competition has not yet been formally launched. A budget priority introduced by the current government have postponed several major acquisition programs, delaying the final decision on the armored vehicle replacement until at least 2027. Several vehicles are expected to compete once the Czech tender is launched. The Pandur EVO proposed by Czechoslovak Group represents the domestic industrial candidate, and is derived from the Pandur II already used by the Czech Army. Another competitor is the Patria AMV XP, produced by the Finnish company Patria, a vehicle already adopted by several European armies. The Piranha family and the Striker vehicle produced by General Dynamics also occupy the same category of wheeled infantry transport vehicles. Most competitors in this category have combat weight between 25 and 35 tons, depending on configuration and armor package. The Boxer differ from these vehicles because of its unique modular architecture, which allow high payload capacity and strong protection but generally result in high weight compared with competing 8x8 vehicles. The Boxer 8x8 armor vehicle, produced by Artec GmbH, a joint venture between Rheinmetall and KNDS Deutschland, is designed around a rater unique modular architecture composed of two main elements, the drive module and interchangeable mission module. The drive module contains the automotive component, including chassis, engine, suspension, drivetrain, and base armor structure, while mission module determine operational role such as infantry transport, command post, ambulance, engineering vehicle, or artillery carrier. The basic drive module has an anti-weight of about 25.2 tons, while combat weight vary between 38.5 and 41 tons depending on the version. Propulsion is provided by an MTU-8 V199 TE20 diesel engine producing at 530 kW or up to 600 kW, depending on configuration. In ETS standard armored personnel carrier configuration, the Boxer carry a crew of 3 and up to 8 infantry soldiers. Mission module can be replaced within about 30 minutes, allowing the same vehicle base to support multiple operational roles. Mine protection correspond to level 4 à according to Stanag 4569, meaning a resistance to explosive charge equivalent to 10 kg of TNT under each wheel. Ballistic protection is modular and can be adapted depending on operational requirement and armor configuration. Standard configuration provide a frontal protection against 25 mm ammunition and lateral protection against 14.5 mm projectile. The Boxer also integrate composite armor element and internal spall liner designed to reduce fragmentation effect after penetration. Internal protected volume range between about 14 and 17.5 cubic mt, depending on the mission module installed. Mobility parameter that could interest the Czech Army include maximum road speed exceeding 100 km/h and an operational range of about 1,050 km on road. Operational adoption of the Boxer HAS expanded steadily across NATO and partner countries. Germany operate a fleet of roughly 400 vehicles across multiple variants, including transport, command, and medical configuration. The Netherlands operate about 200 vehicles configured mainly for command, logistics, and engineering mission. Lithuania fills the Vilka infantry fighting vehicle variant equipped with a turret armed with a 30 mm autocannon and anti-tank missile. Australia HAS order 211 Boxer vehicles under the Land 400 phase de programme. The United Kingdom HAS committed to more than 600 vehicles under the Mechanized Infantry Vehicle Programme. Combined procurement commitments across multiple countries, therefore, exceed more than 2,100 vehicles, étaient delivered, under production, or order. As the Boxer drive module and mission module are manufactured separately, the production could be distributed across several countries, buddies introduce potential industrial bottleneck. A steel casting and welded mission module require specialized manufacturing capability with limited supply capacity in Europe. Therefore, these expanding Boxer fleets are, paradoxically, creating significant pressure on existing manufacturing capacity. Germany alone plan to expand its Boxer fleet significant beyond the current level of roughly 400 vehicles, a German procurement decision include an order for nearly 600 additional Boxer vehicles. Delivering these vehicles require sustained production over many years because armored vehicle manufacturing lines traditionally produce limited number annually. By 2024, 5 main assembly lines were used for the Boxer, mainly at Rheinmetall facility in Kassel and KNDS facility in Munich, with additional manufacturing activity in the Netherlands, Australia, Brisbane, and the United Kingdom. Even with this distributed facility, current production capacity remain limited relative to the scale of new European armored vehicle procurement program, with an estimated 200 vehicles per year. While Rheinmetall's total production capacity for armored vehicles, including Boxer, Lynx, and Puma, is estimated at 600 vehicles annually, the partnership proposed to the Czech Republic could ease this production capacity constraint. A Czech industrial partner are capable of expanding manufacturing output and supporting large order volume. One possible industrial location involved in the proposal is Rheinmetall's facility in Ústí-nad-Labem, currently producing automotive components but capable of supporting defense manufacturing. Czech company could participate in the Boxer supply chain through the fabrication of armored structure, mechanical components, or subsystem integration. A similar model has already been implemented in the Leopard 2 a 8 tank production program, where Czech company manufacture structural components despite the Czech Army ordering only 44 tanks. If the Czech Republic adopts the Boxer vehicle, the domestic industry could be integrated into the global supply chain for many years. At the same time, Rheinmetall and Artec have announced that the Kassel production facility is being expanded to achieve more than 500 Boxer vehicles annually. While industrial planning presented at the International Armored Vehicles Conference indicated that Artec aims to reach approximately 1,000 Boxer per year by 2030, a five-fold increase compared with the previously disclosed baseline capacity of roughly 200 vehicles per year.